Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video, I will show you how to reset File Explorer search history in Windows 11 and Windows 10. If File Explorer keeps showing old search suggestions that you no longer need, or you simply want to clear your search history for privacy, Windows lets you do in just a few clicks. So let's get started. First, open File Explorer. You can use Windows plus E to open File Explorer. Next, click on the three dots menu on the toolbar and select Options. If you are using Windows 10, simply click the View tab and then choose Options. In the folder Options window, stay on the General tab. Under Privacy section, you will see an option called Clear File Explorer History. Click the Clear button. Windows will instantly remove your File Explorer search history and other recent File Explorer history. That's it. Click the OK button. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.